everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a bit different. I just signed up for the Boxycharm monthly subscription and I just got my first one here. So I got the November. So I'm super excited to try it out and see what I think of it. And I mean, I've heard nothing but great things about it, which is why I decided to sign up for it. So I'll give you guys my impression and let you know what I think. I know this video is a little late. But I literally just signed up for it the other day. So I do plan on doing a makeup tutorial using the products that I got in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and let you guys know what I think. So if you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. I've never done one of these monthly subscription boxes before. Right, so looks like I got some lashes. These were from Lashaholics right here. These are the Instaglam style. Got these Luxie premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. Those are very nice. I like the color combo, that black and gold and white. It's very pretty. Very soft. Next item I got is the glitter drop by Cover Effects. Very pretty. So glad that I got this. I've heard a lot of great things about it. So many ways you can use it, and very pretty. Alright, so it looks like I got some eyeliner as well. I'm assuming that's the color black. Item is the one that I've heard a lot about, is the eyeshadow palette. I really like this right here. It's very pretty. Here's the eyeshadow. Such a pretty combo. Alright, so let's go ahead and try it out. So I already have some foundation on. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this color right here. So next I'm going to be using the Poppy color. I'm going to be using this brush right here. Doesn't have a name on it. It's a little too small. So I'm going to go ahead and with my Morphe 330 brush. Eyeshadow is so pigmented. I don't even need a lot of it. It's very pretty. Go ahead and add the hidden gem color right here from the Morphe palette. Right there under the crease. Outer V corner, I'm going to add a darker brown, this right here. Just going to dab on it very gently. And then go in circular motion. Myrtle. Myrtle is very pretty. I'm going to use my finger. Kind of like a goldish color. Ooh. Well, not a gold. It's very similar to the Venetian color that I have from NYX. Apply some powder to remove any fallout. Next, I'm going to line my eye. So now I'm going to go ahead and conceal using the Makeup Revolution in C12. I'm going to be using the Black Radiance in the color Ebony to contour a little bit. And with my Lancome eyeliner in Ebony Black, my favorite of all time. go back with some of the same colors that I use in my crease, starting with the poppy color. I'm going to use this other brush right here to add some of that hidden gem color in my lower lash line as well. I just added on the lashes, and I have to say they are honestly the best eyelashes that I have ever tried. They were so easy to pop on and so pretty too. I love it. So let's go ahead and try the Jasmine here in the inner corner of my eye and see how that looks. Looks more like a highlighter. Oh. Looks pretty. To set my face again using my pressed powder, just going to dab that all over. I have really oily skin, so I really have to make sure that I am setting my face constantly. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to start by lining it with the NYX lip liner in the color Cold Brew. My lipstick, I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Berlin. This is a very pretty color. Got to highlight, I'm going to be using the Cover FX the Glitter Drop. Let's try it out and see. So I'm going to go ahead and drop a little bit right here. I'll use my finger. I'm using this right here. So I'm adding a little bit onto my sponge, and then I'm going to go ahead and just dab it on and use my fingers. A little bit of this one right here does really go a long way. And I even feel like I overdid it a little bit. Yeah. I do like it. I think next time I do want to try adding it on with my foundation to see how it looks, but it's very pretty though. So to finish off, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray. See, I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu setting spray. Guys, so this is the finished look right here. I am super happy with how this turned out. As far as the items that I got in the Boxycharm, I am really satisfied considering how I totaled everything out. It equaled out to about $114 and I only paid $19. I think $19 or $29, I don't remember, but still I still ended up paying a lot less than I would if I were to go to Sephora or Ulta to buy these things individually for it. So that is a pretty good deal. So I am super excited and I cannot wait to see what I get in December. So if you guys do want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.